Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic and welcome back to Inspiring Mondays. To tell you a little bit about myself, I am okay. I am So before we begin today's video, यार तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब क्यों नहीं करते? करो ना सब्सक्राइब. Click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Click it. Just click it. Chalo. For today's video, we have a very beautiful story sent by Vibhani. She writes, Hello Anupama, I like watching your videos. Keep it up. I hope you feature my story on your channel someday. I'm a 37-year-old and a mother of two. Since childhood, I have always been below average at studies. I was always called the dumb one. In college, while everyone discussed on their careers, I barely managed to scrape through. I was always termed as Dumbo, Duffer, Tubelight, and I kinda agree I was. So I never pushed myself as I never thought I was good at anything. It's been 14 years since I have been married, and as a housewife, I used to spend a lot of time cooking for my family. That's when I realized I enjoyed baking. And so I decided to try my hand in it and started to bake and deliver from my house. The response was good and people enjoyed my baking. Today, I'm a proud owner of two bakeries in different locations and we are growing. I'm glad I decided to step out of my comfort zone and give myself a chance. Regards, Vibhani. Thanks a lot, Vibhani. This was such a beautiful, inspirational story. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. Now, I have made an entire video on judging people. If you've not watched it, I'm going to link it up and in the description box so that you can check it out later. It talks about how we judge people and how we categorize them and how we can break out of this whole habit. Now, what if I tell you that there is something which is even more dangerous and even more harmful than that? And that is categorizing ourselves. Now, tell me if you can relate to any of these scenarios. I cannot go on that trek because I'm not an early riser. I cannot go to my office parties because I'm not into socializing. I cannot lead a healthier, cleaner life because I'm a smoker. You get the drift, right? Right from our childhood, we have been constantly labeling ourselves. We are in a quest always to find out who we are, what is our nature, what are our traits, that we have been creating these tags for ourselves. Now, these tags could have been given to us by the society, or it could be even given to us by our family and relatives based on our nature and traits. Or maybe we have given ourselves these tags based on the society's expectations and standards. Don't you remember those times when you have scrolled through Instagram posts and you see these pictures of beautiful models who are nothing short of fabulous, and you can't help but compare yourself with these models and you end up feeling fat and ugly? And there you go. You have instantly created a label for yourself. Now, labels are somewhat required to some degree to identify yourself in the society. But these labels have a tendency to inhibit your potential and to restrict your growth and to mask your authentic selves. Now, there could be tags that society and people around us give us. It could be based on our nature or any of our trait that they have observed. Like, for example, if I'm someone who gets angry very quickly, I'm going to be instantly termed as short-tempered. Now, the problem doesn't lie in society tagging us. Because no matter what you do, society is always going to label you one way or the other. And you have no control on that. The problem begins when you start accepting those tags. So when society terms me as short-tempered, the moment I accept that yes, I am short-tempered, there you go. I have instantly created my reality. What I have done is I have put myself in a box and I have denied myself any opportunity to step out of it. Now, no matter what the situation, I'm going to behave in the same way because I am short tempered. The moment I have put myself in a box, I have restricted myself, and now there is no room for any change or any growth to happen. Listen to this very carefully. Anything that follows I am becomes your reality. Go over it again. Anything that follows I am becomes your reality. When you say I am something, that something becomes a part of your personality. You are attaching that something with your personality. So you are going to keep doing it over and over again. That becomes instantly a part of you. It gets attached to you. Now you're going to say that, you know what, but I am short tempered. I am this way. Why should I turn a blind eye to it, or why should I ignore it? Now the key is in how you phrase the label. You need to phrase it in such a way that you don't attach yourself with this something, but at the same time you don't disregard it because you need to work on it. Now, for example, going by the same thing, I am short tempered. Now, what if I rephrase this as I get angry very quickly, or I get angry very often? Now, both of them mean the same thing. But now I've disassociated myself with being short tempered to the same thing, but it's now just some trait which I can always work on. Now, taking another example, suppose I'm lazy. Now, if I rephrase I'm lazy to I procrastinate a lot. Now, what I have done is I have taken the trait of being lazy and I have disassociated it with my personality. It's no more my personality. Now I can work on this. I'm not identifying myself with being a short-tempered person or a lazy person. So be very careful of what you say to yourself. Because whatever you say to yourself is going to become your reality. And that reality is going to keep happening over and over again. And that's exactly what happened in Vibhani's case. She might have not been good at studies in her college and school, and she might have had a difficult time grasping things. And that might have been true at some point of time. But she instantly believed others when they said that she's dumb. And she had denied herself any chance to grow out of this tag, to grow out of this label, because she believed it to be true. We as humans keep changing. Our interests keep changing, our nature keeps changing. So leave yourself enough room to choose and become whatever you want at whichever point you want. Disassociate yourself from these labels so that they don't become your reality. You can change your reality in just a second. Hope you guys found this video helpful and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what are the tags and the labels that you guys have given to yourself, and what are the efforts that you are doing to grow out of it. And also share your wonderful positive stories with me at lifeaholic0710@gmail.com, and I'm going to feature your stories on this channel. I love it when you guys share your stories and your journeys or your small instances with me. It just makes me feel so much closer to you guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big like. And please do subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye-bye.